Hello, my dear students. It's been a long time. Summertime, just took it off, but now back at it. So expect about 2 videos a week from me. I want to wish you all a happy new school year. I'll be covering this year most of the math curriculum from grade 10 to grade 12. So we're going to go in order. I'm going to be focusing more on the Canadian curriculum, the Ontario specifically this year. So when we're going to start with grade 10. But today I'm just going to show you the little ones, a little trick to use when you're multiplying 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. So wait and see. So first thing what we will be doing is multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. To be able to do that, the first thing I'm going to look at what number comes after the 3. The number that comes after the 3 is 4. So I'm going to multiply the 3 and the 4, and that's going to give me 12. So I'm going to write that there. And then I'm going to multiply the 6 and the 4. So basically the end digits here, 6 and 4. 6 times 4 gives me 24. And that's the answer for this one. The second question is 72 times 78. So again, we're just going to multiply the 7 by the next number after 7, which is 8. So 7 times 8 gives me 56. So I write that here. And then I multiply these two numbers, the 2 and 8, and that gives me 16. And that's the answer for the second one. The third one, we follow the same procedure. So just 5 times 6, because the number 6 comes after the 5. So 5 times 6 gives me 30. And then we multiply the 1 and the 9. And that gives me 9. So we just write 0, 9. And that's the answer for the first 3. So just to recap. Basically we multiply the first digit in the number by the number next to it. So the next number to 3 is 4. And that gives me 12. And then we look at the end digits right here and we multiply them and we write that right here. Now, can we do that with 3-digit numbers? Of course we can. So we're just going to multiply now, not the 1, but we take this 2 numbers here, which is the 11. We multiply it by the next number to 11. So the next number to 11 is 12. 11 times 12, that would give me 132. And after that, we just multiply the end digits, which is the 7 and 3. So 7 times 3 will give me 21. And that's your answer for this one. Now, would this work all the time? Unfortunately, it doesn't. It only works with 2 conditions. What are the conditions? So the conditions, as you notice, with each number, the beginning number is always the same. So here is 30, 30. Here is 70, 70. 50, 50. So 51 times 59. So again, these 2 numbers have to be the same. Same as here. That's 11 and that's 11. And that's what works. So that's the first condition. Okay. How about the second condition? The second condition for this to work, the end digits, which these ones right here, must add up to 10. So as you see, 6 plus 4 gives me 10. 2 plus 8 gives me 10. 1 plus 9 gives me 10. And also the 3 plus 7 here gives me 10. So the only way this would work is to satisfy these 2 conditions. The beginning numbers, which is 3 here and 3 there, 7 there and 7 there, 5 here and 5 here, 11 here and 11 there, they must be the same. And after that, the end numbers, which is the 6 and the 4 and the 2 and 8 and 1 and 9, 3 and 7, they must add up to 10. I know, I wish this would have worked all the time without any conditions, but unfortunately it doesn't. It only works with these 2 conditions. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.